Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. In this video I am repurposing the DIY Dollar Tree photo frames box into a personalized first birthday display card box. Since we're doing a panda themed first birthday, I went ahead and designed this off camera and then printed it onto shimmery cardstock. And here I am just going to prepare the panels to fit within the DIY card box by cutting it down to size. Once all the panels have been cut, I go ahead and place them inside the framed box. So here's the before video shot of the DIY Dollar Tree photo framed box, and in this case I used it for newborn photos designed by myself. Here you can see I added photo frame turn button fasteners. I'll try to make sure to link them in the description box below, and this is what allows me to replace the original photos with new ones and repurpose this box over and over again. So here I'm just showing you how I'm able to replace one of the panels, and the rest I will do off camera and give you a big reveal at the end. And the final reveal. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!